The world of cryptocurrency is abuzz with excitement. The digital currency landscape is evolving rapidly, and new developments are constantly emerging. A groundbreaking partnership is set to reshape the landscape, bringing new opportunities and innovations. PiNetwork, known for its innovative approach to mining, has joined forces with Banksha, a leader in the fiat-to-crypto payment gateway sector. Banxa is a leading name in the world of fiat-to-crypto payment gateways, providing seamless and secure transactions. This partnership marks a significant milestone in PiNetwork's journey, symbolizing growth and collaboration. It's a major step toward mainstream adoption, making cryptocurrency more accessible to the general public. PiNetwork has always focused on accessibility, ensuring that anyone with a smartphone can participate in the crypto revolution. It wants to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial background. This partnership aligns perfectly with Pi's vision of a more inclusive and user-friendly cryptocurrency ecosystem. It empowers users to buy Pi with traditional currency, bridging the gap between fiat and crypto. This eliminates the complexity of traditional crypto exchanges, making transactions straightforward and user-friendly. This is a game-changer for both PiNetwork and the broader crypto community, setting a new standard for partnerships. The partnership promises a future where Pi is readily available and easily integrated into daily life. Imagine a world where Pi is easily bought and sold, used for everyday purchases like coffee or groceries. This partnership makes that vision a tangible reality, bringing us closer to a future where digital currency is the norm. It's a powerful testament to PiNetwork's commitment to its users and its mission to democratize cryptocurrency. This is more than just a partnership, it's a revolution in the making, poised to transform the future of digital transactions. Banxa is not just any payment gateway provider, they are a global leader in the fintech space. They specialize in bridging the gap between traditional finance and the world of cryptocurrencies. Their platform is renowned for its robust security measures. They are trusted by millions of users worldwide. Banxa offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. They support a wide array of fiat currencies. Their global reach is impressive. They have a proven track record of providing reliable and efficient payment processing services. Banxa's commitment to regulatory compliance is unwavering. They adhere to the strictest industry standards. This ensures a safe and trustworthy platform for all users. Their expertise and experience make them the ideal partner for PiNetwork. The partnership between PiNetwork and Banxa centers around one key innovation: enabling the purchase of Pi using fiat currency. This means users can now bypass the often complicated process of navigating cryptocurrency exchanges. They can use their everyday money to acquire Pi directly. This is a significant development for those who are new to the world of cryptocurrency. It removes a significant barrier to entry. No longer do users need to understand the intricacies of trading on exchanges. They can simply use Banxa's platform to convert their local currency into Pi. This direct purchase option makes Pi more accessible to a wider audience. It streamlines the process. It makes acquiring Pi as easy as making an online purchase. This is a game changer in terms of adoption and user experience. One of the most significant benefits of this partnership is its potential to drive global financial inclusion. PiNetwork has always championed the idea of making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or geographic location. Banxa's platform supports a wide array of fiat currencies. This opens doors for people around the world to join the PiNetwork ecosystem. Imagine a world where someone in a remote village with limited access to traditional banking systems can easily acquire Pi using their local currency. This partnership makes that vision a reality. It empowers individuals across the globe to participate in the digital economy. This focus on accessibility aligns perfectly with PiNetwork's core values. It's about democratizing access to financial tools and opportunities. The partnership with Banxa is a major step toward achieving that goal. It paves the way for a more inclusive and equitable financial future. Section 5. Liquidity, fueling the engine of growth. Liquidity is the lifeblood of any thriving market. It ensures that assets can be quickly and easily converted into cash, which is essential for maintaining the smooth operation of financial systems. It refers to the ease with which an asset can be bought or sold without causing significant price fluctuations. High liquidity means that transactions can be executed rapidly and with minimal impact on the asset's price. By enabling the direct purchase of Pi with fiat currency, Banxa injects much-needed liquidity into the PiNetwork ecosystem. This integration simplifies the process for users, making it more accessible and user-friendly. This increased liquidity is expected to have a ripple effect throughout the network. It can enhance the overall functionality and efficiency of the Pi network. It can lead to greater price stability. When there is ample liquidity, the market can absorb larger trades without causing significant price swings. With more buyers and sellers in the market, the price of Pi is likely to become less volatile. This stability is crucial for building trust and confidence among users and investors. Increased trading volume is also anticipated. Higher liquidity typically attracts more participants, leading to more frequent and larger transactions. Easier access to Pi is likely to attract more users, boosting trading activity within the network. As more people join, the network grows stronger and more resilient. And then, there's enhanced market efficiency. A liquid market ensures that transactions are processed quickly and at fair prices. Improved liquidity allows for faster and more efficient matching of buyers and sellers, creating a more robust marketplace. This efficiency benefits everyone involved. This boost in liquidity is not only beneficial for individual users, it also enhances the overall user experience by making transactions smoother and more reliable. It also strengthens PiNetwork's overall market position, making it more competitive in the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency landscape, making it a more attractive platform for investors and developers alike. This increased interest can lead to further innovations and growth within the network. Section 6. Banxa's seal of approval, trust and security. In the world of cryptocurrency, trust and security are paramount. Banxa has built a solid reputation for its unwavering commitment to these principles. Their platform employs state-of-the-art security measures, including Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering compliance. Banxa adheres to strict regulations, ensuring the integrity of its platform and protecting users from fraud. Secure payment processing. All transactions are encrypted and processed through secure servers, safeguarding user data and funds. Two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to user accounts, preventing unauthorized access. By partnering with Banksha, PiNetwork benefits from the company's established reputation for trust and security. This instills confidence in users, knowing that their transactions are handled with the utmost care and protection. Section 7. Echoes of excitement, the community responds. The news of PiNetwork's partnership with Banxa has been met with overwhelming enthusiasm from the Pi community. Pioneers, as PiNetwork users are known, have taken to social media and online forums to express their excitement about the partnership and its potential implications. Many pioneers view this as a major step toward mainstream adoption, bringing Pi one step closer to its goal of becoming a widely used digital currency. The simplified purchase process, increased accessibility, and enhanced liquidity have resonated strongly with the community. This overwhelmingly positive response is a testament to the strong sense of community within PiNetwork and the shared belief in the platform's long-term vision. The partnership with Banksha has injected a renewed sense of optimism and excitement into the Pi ecosystem. Section 8. A glimpse into the future. What's next? The partnership between PiNetwork and Banxa is not just a significant development in the present, it also lays the groundwork for a future filled with possibilities. This collaboration is a stepping stone towards a more integrated and seamless digital economy. While the initial focus is on enabling fiat-to-Pi purchases, this collaboration opens doors for further integrations and expansions down the line. Imagine a future where Pi is not just a digital currency, but a cornerstone of everyday transactions. Pi is integrated into Banxa's global network of partners, creating a vast ecosystem of digital financial services. This could allow users to seamlessly spend Pi at a wide range of online and offline merchants worldwide. Imagine paying for your morning coffee or shopping online with Pi, making transactions smoother and more efficient. Banxa facilitates Pi-based remittances and cross-border payments, making international transactions more accessible and affordable. This would empower users to send and receive Pi internationally with ease and affordability, breaking down financial barriers and fostering global connectivity. The partnership paves the way for Pi's listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges, enhancing its visibility and accessibility. This would further increase Pi's liquidity and market reach, attracting more investors and users to the platform. These are just a few glimpses into the potential future that this partnership unlocks. The horizon is filled with opportunities for innovation and growth. As both PiNetwork and Banxa continue to innovate and expand their offerings, the possibilities for Pi's growth and adoption are limitless. The future is bright, and the journey has just begun. Section 9. The final word, a giant leap for PiNetwork. The partnership between PiNetwork and Banxa is more than just a business collaboration. It's a testament to the transformative power of innovation and collaboration in the world of cryptocurrency. By making Pi more accessible, liquid, and trustworthy, this partnership has the potential to propel PiNetwork to new heights. For the Pi community, this is a moment to celebrate. It's a validation of their belief in PiNetwork's vision, and a sign of even greater things to come. As Pi continues its journey toward mainstream adoption, the partnership with Banxa serves as a powerful catalyst, driving the network toward a future where digital currencies are accessible to all. This is a giant leap for PiNetwork, a significant stride toward a more inclusive and decentralized financial future.